Starting the morning with lemon water is a popular health ritual. We are going to tell you 5 ways to include lemon water in your morning routine. These refreshing options will detox and cleanse your body, giving you the right start to the day. Benefits of starting your day with lemon water. Starting your day with lemon water is touted for its numerous health benefits. Primarily, it's a great way to hydrate and kickstart your metabolism first thing in the morning. The vitamin C in lemons boosts your immune system, promotes healthy skin, and provides a potent antioxidant that helps fight off free radicals. The drink's acidity aids digestion, encouraging the liver to produce bile and helping your digestive system break down food more efficiently. Let's take a look at 5 refreshing ways to incorporate lemon water into your morning routine. At number 1. Morning detox with mint and lemon water. Mint, when added to lemon water, not only enhances the flavor with a refreshing, cool taste but also brings several additional health benefits. Mint is known for its digestive properties. It can soothe the stomach and relieve indigestion or inflammation. The aroma of mint is a natural stimulant that can help sharpen your mind and calm your nerves, making your lemon water not just a physical health booster but also a mental one. At number 2. Honey with lemon water. Adding honey to lemon water and consuming it in the morning offers a range of benefits, making it a popular choice for a healthful morning ritual. Honey is a natural sweetener packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds. Honey is a natural source of carbohydrates, providing a quick energy boost. This can be particularly beneficial in the morning to kickstart your day. The combination of honey and lemon is often cited for its benefits to the skin. Both ingredients have detoxifying and antioxidant properties, which can help clear up the skin and improve its glow. While adding honey to lemon water in the morning can offer these various health benefits, it's essential to use it in moderation due to its high sugar content. Raw, organic honey is preferred to maximize benefits. At number 3. Spa-like experience with cucumber and lemon water. Adding cucumber to lemon water and consuming it in the morning offers a hydrating and nutritious start to the day. Both cucumber and lemon have detoxifying properties. They help in flushing out toxins from the body and supporting the natural detoxification processes of the liver and kidneys. At number 4. Boost your metabolism with cayenne pepper and lemon water. Adding cayenne pepper to lemon water and consuming it in the morning can offer a unique combination of benefits, thanks to the potent compounds found in cayenne. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which has a thermogenic effect, meaning it can increase the amount of heat your body produces. This can lead to increased calorie burning throughout the day, potentially aiding in weight management. And finally, at number 5. Morning detox with ginger and lemon water. Lemon's vitamin C and ginger's antioxidants offer a powerful combination for fighting off free radicals and strengthening the body's immune response. Both ginger and lemon increase the metabolic rate, which can help in weight management and energy levels, making it an ideal morning drink. Lemon water is known for its alkalizing effects on the body, which, when combined with ginger, can help in reducing overall acidity, potentially reducing pain and inflammation. Start your day right and stay refreshed. Cheers to health and happiness. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.